at eskwela, dating law student na huminto sa kanyang pag-aaral.
I'm working right now, but I'm stopped already.
And you're working as a?
As a guard man and
Guard.
Guard. Yeah.
Guard.
guard,
They don't have R, remember? They don't have R.
Yeah.
guard.
Guard.
For,
Parang ganun.
is it, are you working for a person or are you working for a company? For a company.
Sa likod ng kakengko yan, hindi rin naging madali ang kanyang kinagis ng buhay sa Japan.
My parents is separate, so they cannot support me. Only grandmother can support me. So sad, because my mother and father is always quarrel.
Minsan na siyang bumisita sa Davao at dito niya lang unang naramdaman ang pagkakaroon ng isang pamilya.
I visited there, Philippines. Then, I'm so surprised and inspired to stay there. Because of my mother's family is very caring and kind with me. And I feel family love. Yeah. It's my first time in my life.
Lumaki man sa Japan, mas angat pa rin ang kanyang pagka-Pinoy. Kaya naman, nahirapan siyang makibagay sa ibang Japanese.
Are you happy in Japan? Why?
Why not?
Because my feeling is not fitted to stay in Japan. And I feel lonely always.
Why? Why?
Because my family problem. And I feel lonely always. Boring.
Sinubukan niyang magpaalam sa kanyang lola upang subukin ang kapalaran dito sa Pilipinas.
I really want to go back to their Philippines. Yeah, so I'm serious. She said no. I said I can handle study and I can handle my life here in Japan. I cannot stay here in Japan anymore. Then she said okay. Then she allowed me to go back to Davao City.
Subalit isang balita ang naghikayat sa kanya upang bumalik ng Japan.
My mother is told me, my grandmother is had a sick. I miss grandmother.
Pero pagbalik sa Japan, hindi niya rin nakasama ang kanyang lola dahil inilayo ito ng kanyang amang nakaalitan niya. Sa mga lungkot na napagdaanan, isang magandang balita ang darating na magpapasaya sa kanya.
The t-shirt is pasalubong of Kuya to you. The bad news is you're not going back to Japan.
What?